Right. Ian Wallace Harper here, Chatbot Ninja, and it's time for another BizStackPro Basics. And it's part 2 of my video of connecting up the Coach AI, which is a piece of software in the premium bonuses in the premium area. So let's get on with it and finish this off. And let's see, share my screen. Here we're in, this is where I left you. You can see it's connected to the website, but what we need to do now is actually connect it up to the CRM. And to do that, we're going to use an automation. So let's go to the automations. We got to go to, oh, we're doing, no, I didn't want to go there. I want to go here. So this is BizStackPro AI Coach AI Coach, yeah. And we'll go to where did I say where? We need to go to automations. There we go. Now this is the automation I'm going to show you. It's in BizStackPro, and it's webhook from Coach AI. It is very simple to do. And we've got an inbound webhook. Now, the inbound webhook is a premium trigger. So using this trigger will incur additional charges per execution, but it's minimal. It is minimal. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start from scratch. So I'm going to go to here, back to webhook from code. So we're going to put demo. We're going to create a workflow. We'll create a workflow from, not from a recipe, but from scratch. And we're going to start by adding a trigger. Well, we're going to call it demo workflow, demo webhook. Demo webhook for Coach AI. So, and then we're going to go to a trigger. We're going to have a look for a trigger, and we're going to put in webhook. And it's an inbound webhook. And here you can see it's a premium trigger. So we're going to hit that, and we're going to say, right, we're going to call it inbound webhook from inbound webhook from Coach AI. Now this is the one we need to copy. Yeah, copy the copied. If you go to the right here, you can copy it completely. Copy. Yeah, and then we're going to go to, yeah, you guessed it. We're going to go to our Coach AI. We're going to go to the chat editor. Now, I've already copied one thing in here, so we're going to go back to the workspace, and we're going to use the other one. So no, we're not. No, we're not. We're going to go to here. We're going to view coaches. View coaches. And we're going to go to Oscar Digitalis. We're going to go to add and edit. Now we're going to go to content block, or is it settings? Settings, settings, domain. No, where did I see? Where did we go? Let's go start from here. We're going to go boom, content block, and content block, content block. It'll be this one and lead magnet. We're going to copy and we'll just start it. We've got the email, blah, blah, blah. And we've got the enable the webhook here. And we're going to copy it into here, Command and B, and we're going to save it. Save it. So now that that is ready to go. That is now ready to go. So we're going to save it. Yeah. And we're going to go to back to coaches. And we're going to go to Oscar. And we're going to go to say here. And we're going to preview it. And we can preview it on here. To kick it off, it's got to okay, not kicking off on this one yet. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. I think what we'll do is we'll refresh it. Wait for it loading and then see if it'll load this time. It's not going to load at all. Okay, so let's let me drop out of this one. And where did we say sources? Well, no, we're not. We're going to go to preview. We'll try again. And it's not wanting to do it. Not wanting to do it. Okay. So anyway, we'll go back to BizStackPro. And we'll go back to the webhook. So once you've got the webhook done in here, and you've asked to fetch sample, and there's a payload is not done because we haven't got any requests. We haven't got any thing. So let's go back to here, and I'll show you exactly what we need to do on mine that we're started. Cancel. Let's go back, confirm, and we'll go to the one that I've already done because we are going to webhook from here, and we're going to go to the. So once you get a webhook information, and it's an active one, so this is an active request. So somebody has hit the coach and put in his email, his whatever information you're collecting, like the email, phone number, name. You will go to here, and all the information that the webhook has sent is here. Yeah. Now, what you need to do then is you can save it, and it will open up a contact, create a contact. So let's have a look at what create the contact will do. It will create or automatically update any existing one. So if it's already an existing one, it's already a customer that's using it again. So the phone number would be here. Phone number. You look for phone number standard fields, and we look for a phone. Just put in phone. Yeah, phone number, and it's there. You've got it. So that is phone, and this is email. Yeah, but what you need to do, you need to look for here, tag custom values, and it's a inbound webhook. The inbound webhook will be name for the first one. Well, for the phone, you want a phone. For the email, you would be again inbound webhook email, and then inbound webhook for the first name. I'm not going to use it's not first name, it's full name. So they put the full name in, yeah, but you can put first name, add your first name. So it would be inbound webhook name. So choose your first name or the full name or whatever you want to put in there. I choose the first name, and it would so, and then you save it. I'm not going to save it because I've already saved everything and done it, and it's already set up for me. That's it. Now you could say add a tag. Add tag. Add tag. Contact tag. And we could add tag when we say Coach AI from Coach AI. From Coach AI. And we add that tag from Coach AI, and we save it. So we now know that it's called, all those leads are coming from Coach AI. So you know where it's going to. Now you can do use this to set up further automations. I'm just going to leave it at that because we now got them into the system from your coaching AI chatbot. And basically that's it. They will now come into the CRM. I've tested it and it works. Now what you need to do, you need to be able to save it from draft to publish. This is already on publish, so I'm not going to change it. And then we save it. So anybody who comes in now will, through the inbound webhook, it will create a contact or update a contact if it's already a contact there. Then it will go to and add a tag, which you can then see or whatever. I've got some information already in here, so if we have a look, I've already tested with myself, and it actually shows up on here. So if you look at this one, create a contact or update a contact, boom, and it says success. Existing contact updated. Here's and when 7th of this month. Okay, so all the information is there and it's been sent to the CRM. So there we are. The second part of the video. It's a short one this time. Part 2 is a short one. Again, though, I would like you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done it. hit the bell button so you know when more of my videos are coming out. And for if you enjoyed it, comment and like as normal. But basically, please subscribe. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll get some more and more and more videos for you about BizStackPro. Yes. This one. BizStackPro. Okay. See you in the next video. Maybe tomorrow. Bye-bye. Ian Wallace Harper signing off as the Chatbot Ninja.